Wait a minute. My forehead is moving, but not the wig. Hello. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Janet Collection. They sent me some products to try for you guys. And when I say products, I mean lace spray. Lace spray that got my wig like this. And it melted my wig down quick. This is also a pre-worn Janet Collection. Synthetic. So if you want to see how to spray your wig down real quick and revamp your wig, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so today we're using a new product from Janet Collection. It is from their Esha Melt and Slay line. This is their new Daily Glueless Lace Spray, not to be confused with one of my favorites from that collection, the Absolute Wig Spray. This is the one that you guys see me use all the time, but today we're using the more convenient pocket size Ultimate Hold Lace Spray. It is said to be easy to use with a 24-hour hold for versatile hairstyles and easy to remove with water. We're gonna try it out today to see how this works. Y'all know I love me some Esha products, okay? When it comes to the lace spray, Esha is my girl. I'm gonna use that today to reinstall my TUPI wig. TUPI? Y'all know them names be getting me, child. And she has been through some things, okay? I may even cut her because she a little long. I reviewed her some months ago and this is how she is looking. This is a synthetic wig, but you can use this spray on human or synthetic. It's a lace spray. So whatever lace you wanna put on your face, get the spray. So I'm just going to first take my hair and scalp wipes, also from Esha, and I'm going to wipe around my hairline a bit because it is a little oily from my skincare. That instant cooling feeling, I like it. I was feeling a little stuffy, not anymore. Wake me up. Let me use that same wipe around my lace just to clean that off a bit. Let me get my brush. She tangled. Y'all hear it. Maybe I'll keep it long. Who knows? Here we go. Was this big hair friendly? I think so. Where's my clip? All right, so we're gonna spray this wig down together. Step one, spray the lace spray on your skin where you want your lace to lay. If this is your first time, do it in sections until you get the hang of it. I'm gonna spray it across like that. Ooh, it smells good. Then I'm gonna tap it in. You don't gotta use your finger. You can use a comb or spatula, whatever you have. A little bit more right here. Now I'm gonna bring my wig down, lay it on top of where I put that spray. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry it on cool or medium heat, never hot. If you blow dry it on hot or high heat, it's gonna turn white. I'm gonna take the brush and brush down my hairs how I want them to be. It's a little lifted on the edge. Take your spray and spot check. Already I can tell that this spray is not as sticky as this one, which is a good thing for my fingers. I'm not gonna spray my sides down today. I may even tuck it, let me see, like that. Yep. I don't think I need to wrap this down. She looks like she was already wrapped down. The way this is on my head. Wait a minute. Look at this. Now I'm not yanking it, but I'm pulling enough and it's not moving. My forehead is moving, but not the wig. Hello. All right, well, there's that. I might cut it, I might not, I don't know yet. I mean, I could trim it because the ends are a little scraggly. Before I cut it, let me see if I can save it a little bit more. Use my silk spray. Help with the flyaways and the tangles. Ooh, hold up. Let me get my part together. Take my blow dryer on high heat and flatten this part out. Maybe I won't cut it. Get a little bit more spray. This is taking no time at all. The longest part is getting my wig back together. The lace is laid. Make sure the hairline is how I want it. Again, my sides are not down, I just tucked them. Do y'all see this? It looks like I wrapped my wig down for hours. Do a little bit of product in my parting space. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate just in the back here. The front is fine. A synthetic wig, child. A synthetic wig. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup, but that's it for this one. Do y'all see this lace? Huh? Do y'all see this scalp? This lace is blended down on my face real nice. And let's see the pull test. Let's see. Ah, golly. Ken, she ain't going nowhere. This works out real nice, and it smells, it has a nice little smell to it. Esha Melt and Slay Daily Glueless Lace Spray, 24-hour hold. Don't be trying to wear it for a week talking about your wig is lifting. We know, okay, it says 24-hour. Spray it again, and all you gotta do is use water to take it off. That's it. But let me go ahead and check my mail real quick. You know, people gotta see me. Shout out one more time to Janet Collection for sending me this product. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my product and my wig down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.